Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Biscoff cookies Copycat. These are cookies that we can find here, but mostly only in the holidays. Once winter is over, they're really hard to find. So I thought, if you miss them in the spring or summer, then it would be nice to be able to make them yourself. So let's get started.
Only a few main ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of brown sugar. First, combine all the dry ingredients. We do this to make sure all the spices are evenly distributed. Then, in a large mixing bowl, cream butter until light and fluffy. Beat in brown sugar. Slowly add dry ingredients and beat it into the butter mixture. The dough will be rather dry but should stick together when pressed. At this point you could chill your dough, but since I hate doing this, I'm attempting to make them without chilling the dough. Feel free to chill it, it will probably be easier to roll out. I roll it out on a piece of baking paper. Because I didn't chill the dough, I need a bit of flour. I used this cutter to cut out some cookies. Remove the excess dough around the cutouts. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Mine expanded quite a bit, but if you chill the dough, it shouldn't too much. But these cookies are absolutely delicious. It turns out Biscoff cookies are really just spiced butter cookies. Who knew? For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.